In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a home design in Planner 5D. First of all, open Planner 5D and start a new project. Once you are inside your workspace, the first thing you need to do is set up the basic structure of the house you want to design. You will begin with the default room that appears automatically. This room can be resized by clicking and dragging its walls, and as you adjust it, you will be able to see its length and width updating in real time. If you hover over any wall, you will also notice both inner and outer measurements, which helps you understand the actual dimensions based on wall thickness. To expand your layout, go to the Build section on the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Rooms option. From here, you can select different room shapes and add them to your design. After placing a room, adjust its walls so that it aligns properly with your existing structure. If you want to duplicate a similar room, you can simply copy and paste it to save time. Using this method, you can build a simple structure with a living room, a couple of bedrooms, and a bathroom in between, or any layout that fits your design. Once your structure is complete, the next step is to design the interior surfaces, including floors, walls, and ceilings. For a better visual understanding, switch to 3D view. To change the floor design, click on the floor, then select the style option. From there, choose a material such as parquet, laminate, wood, or carpet depending on the type of room. For example, you might choose carpet for the living room and bedrooms, while selecting tiles for the bathroom to give it a more realistic finish. After setting the floor, move on to the walls. Click on any wall, open the style settings, and choose from different categories such as paint, wallpaper, or tiles. You can apply different styles to different rooms to create variation in your design. For example, you can use a neutral paint color for the living room, apply wallpaper in the bedrooms, and use tiles for the bathroom walls. This step helps define the overall look and feel of your home. Once the interior surfaces are ready, you can start adding doors. Go back to the Build section, scroll down and click on Doors. First, choose an entry door for the main entrance of your house. Then, go into the interior door categories such as single or double doors and place them between rooms as needed. You can switch to 2D view while placing doors to clearly see which direction they open and adjust them accordingly. Next, go to the Windows section from the same Build menu and start adding windows to your house. Place them in appropriate locations to improve lighting and make the design look more realistic. After completing the structure and openings, the final step is furnishing your home. Click on the Furnish section on the left side of your screen and start selecting items based on each room. For the living room, you can add sofas or complete seating sets. You can zoom into the area where you want to place furniture to get a better view and decide what fits best. Drag and drop your selected items into place, adjust their angle, and switch between 2D and 3D views to position them accurately. For the kitchen, go into the kitchen category and add items such as kitchen sets, cabinets, and islands. You can also rotate or flip these items to align them properly with your layout. For bedrooms, go into the bedroom category and add beds, such as double beds, along with side tables and other furniture. You can further enhance your design by adding lighting, mirrors, wardrobes, and decorative elements. If any object is placed in the wrong direction, you can always rotate it and adjust its position. You can also change the color or material of any item by selecting it and using the style options to better match your overall design. Once everything is placed and adjusted, switch to 3D view to review your complete home design. You can explore it from different angles, zoom in to inspect details, and make any final changes if something does not look right. This final review helps ensure that your design is both functional and visually appealing, and this is how you can create a home design in Planner 5D.